Hello friends, this is our home decor channel and today we are bringing you the idea of cozy bedrooms, comfortable and cozy bedrooms, and we tried to collect a large number of bedrooms, greater number, so you can have an idea of how to decorate the bed and how to make it cozy, how to choose the furniture to make your look more cozy, and the type of carpets which are used in cozy rooms, and the type of pillows, and the type of chairs, and the type of wall decor that makes a room to look and feel cozy and comfortable. The type of beds which is used in comfortable rooms is the most important aspect of a cozy room. Definitely a comfortable bed, a comfy mattress, and comfortable pillows play the central role in making a room look and feel cozy. And the rest of the articles like curtains, carpets, and comforters and the other stuff also play a crucial role in making the home or room look cozy and comfortable. A cozy room must have some sitting arrangement which is comfortable and where you can relax, and these can be some relaxing chairs or these can be some relaxing sofas, and the beds should also be comfy and relaxing, and it should be relaxing to eyes too, and for the rest too. Definitely a bedroom is for comfort and sleep, and a cozy bedroom is a calm bedroom where you can rest and you can enjoy the moments when you're resting. And the type of lights also play a very important role in making your home or room cozy and comfortable. So we also tried to bring the different ideas of lights, ceiling lights, hanging lights, or lamps. They all play an important role in making your room look comfortable and cozy. The color choices definitely play a role in making your room more silent, comfy, and cozy. And most of the time, just white color or lighter shades are important to room look more cozy. But even with darker shades, you can choose the type of decor and furniture which makes your room look cozy. It can be brown, the shades of brown, the shades of blue, and the shades of green. Even they all play a beautiful role in making a room look comfy and comfortable. And if you like our video, please give it a thumbs up so we can bring such videos for you in the future, and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.